So I think you grow too much.
Drove-
I think next time you need to change it sooner. So how many miles?
This is 14,000 miles.
14,000.
Yeah.
It's not much, but it's really dark.
Well, there was that transmission fluid in the torque converter, you know. So that's 14,000 miles of transmission fluid. Yeah, not much pinkness or redness to it. Wow. Oh, the pan's about to go. I'm out of here. All right, here's the moment of truth. I don't know what's gonna happen. This time, he didn't want to give me a test drive, but here we are. Let's see what happens. And I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna ask him what kind of fluid they put in there, because they did not put in the Valvoline Mercon LV. But here we go. Let's see what we get. So far, so good. Shifting all right. In case you guys are wondering, I'm in Doraville, Georgia right now. This is where I had this work done. This is where I've been spending the past 3 hours and 45 minutes of my life getting this thing sorted out. I know I could have done it an easier way. I could have just done the same thing at home. I could have just pumped the fluid out of the transmission casing and or out of the pan and then replaced it with some fresh transmission fluid. But I felt that it would be important to have these guys drop the pan again, look in there, see if they saw anything, and they said they didn't, other than the oil was really dirty. And you know, have them clean it out again, which they did. I missed some of the work because it just took them forever to get this job done. My recommendation to all of you who are watching this video and you've been following this series is that you should change your transmission fluid. Do not flush it. Do not flush it. Drop the pan, drain the fluid, change the filter, clean everything up, you know? Put fresh fluid, the fluid you're supposed to put in, and you should do that every 45,000 miles. Now, this is being done roughly at 14.5 thousand miles. So over 14,000 miles, and the fluid did not look good at all. I got some video, as you guys saw. Right now, it's shifting okay, but I haven't been able to get it up to 6th gear and hold it there. So I'm gonna do that here in a moment. This part of Doraville, there's not really a lot of places to turn around and open it up. I think it's really important that I find out exactly which fluid he put in there. So I'm gonna go back to the shop and ask them, or you know, ask that they show me the exact bottle, because I did see the back side of it, but I didn't see the front. So I'm gonna go look at that and I will get back to you.